Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ferox Vent. Today we bring you a shocking and high profile story from the world of sports and crime. Former NBA star Gilbert Arenas has been arrested following a federal indictment that accuses him of running illegal high stakes poker games from his luxury mansion in Encino, California. Stay with us as we break down all the explosive details. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, share and comment your thoughts about this update for more detailed coverage. Gilbert Arenas, former NBA star, was arrested on Wednesday following a federal indictment accusing him of hosting illegal high-stake poker games at his luxury mansion in Encino, California. The 43-year-old ex-basketball player now faces multiple federal charges, including conspiracy to operate an illegal gambling business, operating an illegal gambling business, and making false statements to law enforcement. According to the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Central District of California, Arenas organized Port Limit Omaha poker games between September 2021 and July 2022. These exclusive games took place at his rented Encino residence, where a portion of each pot was taken as a rake, a typical method of profiting from gambling operations. The mansion reportedly resembled a private casino equipped with armed guards, chefs, valets, and young women who offered drinks, massages, and championship pot tips, some of which were allegedly collected by co-conspirators. The environment was designed to attract high-stakes players in a setting of luxury and discretion. One of Arenas' co-defendants, Yevgeny Georgasman, is alleged to have ties to Israeli organized crime and was involved in collecting rent, managing logistics, and maintaining control of the operation. Arenas was taken into custody, later appearing in U.S. District Court in Los Angeles, where he pleaded not guilty and was released on $50,000 bond. His trial is scheduled for September 23. His lawyer, Jerome Friedberg, emphasized that Arenas is entitled to the presumption of innocence and intends to vigorously defend against the charges. The indictment also brings back memories of Arenas' past controversies, particularly the 2019 locker room incident involving teammate Javaris Crittenton, where both brought firearms to resolve a dispute stemming from a card game gambling debt. Before retiring in 2012, Gilbert Arenas enjoyed a successful 11-season NBA career, playing for teams like the Washington Wizards, Golden State Warriors, Orlando Magic, and Memphis Grizzlies, with an average of 20.7 points per game and 3 NBA All-Star selections. If convicted, Arenas could face up to 5 years in federal prison per charge. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit on bell icon.